If you have followed me for a while, you know I'm a master esthetician, certified makeup artist, and I've been doing this for over 15 years. But if there's anything that I've learned in life is that there's always something new to learn. You never know everything about the technology, techniques, there's always something new to learn. So I'm continually looking for ways to educate myself, grow my knowledge, always have that growth mindset. And so today's video, I want to share something that I'm doing that I feel like if this is something that you want to take serious, if you feel like you want to become a makeup artist, if you are a makeup artist and you want to up the level of your skills, I feel like this is knowledge that would benefit you. So I want to share this with you because I'm doing something that's kind of taking me back. I mean, over 15 years ago, I went to Master Aesthetic and Makeup Certification School, and it was in person. It was very different, but now there are so many things that are available virtually and online. And so I want to share this program with you that I'm going to take myself. I'm going to go through all of this, and I just feel like it's so exciting to get back into that mindset of kind of learning, relearning everything. You know, I grew up with a mother that was a makeup artist, and so I was always constantly playing with makeup and trying different things. But I do feel like there is a benefit and a value in learning the proper technique, in doing things in the proper layer. You know, you're working with different skin types, skin tones, face shapes, and it all comes into that knowledge and that experience. So if you have somebody guiding you through that, which is especially, you know, why I like to have a YouTube channel, to try to educate my audience to do those things that are specific to maybe your own face and your own face shape, your skin color, your ultimate goal for your skin. So this is me kind of like cleaning that canvas and starting over and saying, like, let's just start back at square one and see, you know, what is it that I don't know or that someone is teaching differently. So I want to share this with you. I'm going to share my screen and kind of show you what it is I'm talking about. But I'm partnering with the Online Makeup Academy to go through this master class for makeup. And I'm actually going to do the professional makeup class, and everything's virtual. I have this massive kit that they've sent me to go through all of this course and basically check off this certification. So at Online Makeup Academy, they're an award-winning New York-based school that focuses on professional education in the beauty industry. So they offer accredited online courses for established and aspiring artists, and they have makeup courses for different levels. So that's why I'm excited, because you get to basically decide what it is you want to focus on. Do you want to focus on makeup? Do you want to focus on bridal makeup, special effects makeup? Do you want to focus on hair? They have so many different options. I'm personally going through the advanced makeup course, obviously because I've been doing makeup for so long. I am a certified makeup artist, but I really like the idea of continuing that education, relearning, that growth mindset, making sure that you are learning new techniques. You know, people are constantly, that's what art is all about. Leaning and borrowing the knowledge from each other to do your best and create the most. So that's what this is all about. What I love about this course specifically is its lifetime access. So I'm going to be able to go back and revisit this course whenever I need to refresh my knowledge. If I want to take this at my own pace, I can do that, which is great because I'm super busy and I'm just going to put this on top of everything else that I'm doing. But I am going to carve out time that's specific to my schedule, that fits to how I want to finish this course in my own time. And I love that. Even though this is a virtual course, it's personalized. So it's one-on-one coaching. And what's so cool is when I signed up for this, I already got a personalized video in my inbox welcoming me to the course. And I was introduced to the course guide, the instructor, and what to expect in the course, which was so great. It felt like I was in the classroom. And I really feel like as I go through this course and I send these looks to get approved, I'm going to get such great, real personalized feedback. And I'm looking forward to that so much. I think that's really cool. So the program that I'm doing is 17 expertly curated modules. It's 50+ hours of training videos and hands-on assignments. And that includes quizzes, reinforced learning, and downloadable resources. The Online Makeup Academy not only does this amazing course to teach you how to perfect makeup and be a better makeup artist, but it also has an actionable blueprint for you to get profitable and monetize right away. So if I had this course, 15 years ago, I probably would be in a different place than I am right now, but that's okay. There's a place and a time for everything, and this is my time to go through this. But I think that that's so great if you're just starting out and you are given the opportunity to use this actionable blueprint from the beginning. You are really going to benefit so much and catapult so quickly with the resources. So with completion, you also get a pro card, which is going to get you a 40% discount to beauty supply stores. So I've been enjoying those benefits for over 15 years, but if you are not aware of the benefit to certifying yourself as a makeup artist, you can grow your kit and grow your own, collection at such a discount. So that is a lifelong certificate to get that discount. I'm going to put all of the links below in this description, but you can leave me a comment if you have any questions. I am going to provide $100 off with my unique code that's going to be below in the description, so you can use that to get a discount on this program. But you'll notice right away when you go to the Online Makeup Academy website, you'll see just like this wonderful community that you will become a part of. I'm also going to make another video to show you the kit so that you can see everything that is sent to complete this course. It's going to be its own video because it just has that much to go through, but I'm going to link that here so you can see that. If you have any questions about this course or kind of like my progress, I would love to share that with you, so leave a comment below and I would be happy to start that conversation. Honestly, the website can answer all of your questions and answered all of my questions, but there is also support. So if you have questions and you want to reach out to them, I highly recommend that because they're very responsive. And I think that that's important for you to do, like do your research and find out if this course is right for you. For me personally, I've been doing this for a long time and this is very legit. It is accredited and I'm excited to go through this. So wish me luck, and hopefully, by the end of this course, I will just be like mind-blowing makeup artist and I won't have any questions after this. That's the ultimate goal. But I hope this video was very informative and helpful, and if you are just thinking about doing it, go for it, because I have never regretted going to Master Aesthetic and Makeup Certification School ever. It's been one of the best decisions I've ever done. I absolutely love what I do. I love connecting with you, with my audience, and just creating these fun looks and helping, individuals have healthier, better skin. For me, there's nothing better than that. So I'm here, I'm happy to help. If not, I know that they will be also available to answer any of the questions on their end that I'm obviously not going to be able to answer. But I can give you my feedback on, what it is to be a YouTuber, an influencer, makeup artist, and master esthetician. I can answer those questions any day, all day. So I hope to see you in my next video where I show this makeup kit and everything that I have here ready to start the course. And then again, if you do have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day.